In the world of barbecue, there are two powerful cooking styles, low and slow and hot and fast. Both promise mouth-watering results, but which one truly delivers the ultimate barbecue experience? Today, we'll put them head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. First up, low and slow. This technique means cooking at lower temperatures, usually around 225 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 Celsius, for several hours. It's the secret behind legendary dishes like brisket, ribs, and pulled pork. The magic? Tender, smoky, melt-in-your-mouth barbecue that keeps people coming back for more. But there's a catch. Patience. Lots of it. Low and slow can take 12 hours or more, and it requires steady temperature control. One mistake, and your masterpiece could turn into a dry disappointment. Now, let's turn up the heat, literally. Hot and fast means cooking at high temperatures, often 400 degrees Fahrenheit or more. It's the go-to method for steaks, burgers, and chicken wings. You'll get crispy edges, juicy centers, and a meal ready in minutes. But there's a risk, less smoky depth, and if you're not careful, flames can scorch your food before it's cooked through. Want to master low and slow? Keep your temperature steady, use quality wood chunks for smoke, and above all, be patient. Going hot and fast? Preheat your grill properly, stay close, don't walk away, and always let your meat rest before serving. So, what's your style? Are you team low and slow or team hot and fast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more barbecue secrets, tips, and recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. This is Barbecue Nerds, where smoke and fire come together for flavor.